Okay, time to learn another important piece. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have POLİS İDARƏSİ. I guess you already recognize the word police. POLİS İDARƏSİ. As you guessed it right, it's police station or police department. Let's use it in some phrases and sentences. Phrases first. At the police station. Polis idaresinde. To contact the police department. Polis idaresiyle əlaqə saxlamaq. See, to contact can be in any ways, right? Phone, letter, something. That's why əlaqə saxlamaq is the perfect fit, perfect translation for to contact. If you'd say to call, polis idaresine zəng etmək. To write, polis idaresine yazmaq. That's why for this phrase, to contact the police department, the best translation is polis idaresiyle əlaqə saxlamaq. Okay? Let's use it in sentences. Sənədimi tapmaq üçün bugün səhər erkən polis idarəsinə getdim. Amma qeydiyyat prosesi uzandığı üçün günün yarısı orada keçdi. Let's see, what does this mean? I went to the police department early this morning to find my document. But since the registration process dragged on, half the day passed there. Sənədimi tapmaq üçün, to find my document, sənəd, document, sənədim, my document, sənədimi da, my document. Okay? Bugün səhər erkən, early this morning, polis idarəsinə getdim. I went to the police department. See, getdim, there is m suffix at the end. That shows I'm the one who is doing the action. So, amma, but, qeydiyyat prosesi uzandığı üçün, since the registration process dragged on, qeydiyyat prosesi, registration process. Qeyd etmək, to note. Qeydiyyat, registration, a note down. Qeydiyyat prosesi, registration process. Okay? Günün yarısı, half the day, orada keçdi, passed there. Cool beans? Next sentence. Hadisəni şahid kimi izah edəndən sonra polis idarəsində rəsmi ərizə yazdım və əlaqə nömrəmi buraxdım. Okay? After describing the incident as a witness, I wrote an official statement at the police station and left my contact number. Now, hadisəni, the incident, hadisə, incident, event, şahid kimi izah edəndən sonra, sonra after, izah edəndən sonra describing, after describing, şahid kimi, as a witness, witness şahid. Polis idarəsində rəsmi ərizə yazdım. I wrote an official statement at the police station. Rəsmi ərizə, official statement. Rəsmi, official. Okay? Yazdım. Remember? I wrote. Və əlaqə nömrəmi buraxdım. And left my contact number. Number, nömrə. It's a loan word. Buraxdım, left. Əlaqə nömrəmi, my contact number. See, əlaqə nömrəm, that's another m. Identifying, that's me, for me. All right? That was today's words, polis idarəsi. Let's see how else we can use it. If this line gets any longer, we might as well move into polis idarəsi. All right? Thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in understanding more about Azerbaijani, masterazerbaijani.com is there, where blogs are posted every 10 days. Feel free to read them, vote for me, write me, give me feedback. Or if you are interested in learning the language, Master Azerbaijani app is there for you. Cheers.